My dear students of class 10th, dear student, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this video for your learning. And this video is the second part of the question and answer, that is including the MCQ, and after MCQ the question will be discussed about the filling the blanks and thought based question. So let us start the remaining part of the MCQ. My dear student, question number 28. Select the mismatch pair. So the mismatch pair is given here, that is the adrenaline dash pituitary gland. So this is the mismatch pair. अगर यहाँ एड्रेनलिन के बाद होता है एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, then that will be the matched pair. So this is the mismatch 28A. 28A, this is the mismatch pair. And 29, the growth of the tendril in pea plant is due to the effect of light? No. Rapid cell division and in tendrilar cells that are away from the support. मतलब कि अगर ये टेंड्रिल ग्रो कर रहा है और ये सपोर्ट से दूर है, then it will try to enlarge itself so that it come into contact with the support. So answer will be the C, that is the rapid cell division in the tendrilar cell that are away from the support. C. So 29C. Come to the 30. When a person is suffering from the severe cold, he or she cannot, and the correct answers are A and B, because differentiate the taste of an apple from an ice cream and differentiate the smell of a perfume from an agarbatti. So these two answers will be the correct, 30 A and B. 30 A and B. And come to 31. Which of the following statements are true about the brain? So the statements, that is the centers of hearing, smell, memory, sight, etc. are located in the forebrain. This is the correct. That is the second one. And C, involuntary actions like salivation, vomiting, blood pressure are controlled by the medulla in the hindbrain. In fact, medulla is the part of that is the junction of the hindbrain and midbrain and the spinal cord. So, but that is also the junction of the midbrain and hindbrain. So the answer is, that is C, B and C. These will be the correct sentences. 31C. This 31C. And further, 32, posture and balance of the body is controlled by the cerebellum. 32B. And 33, which of the following is not associated with the growth of the plant? So, answer is D, abscisic acid. That is the abscisic acid. Answer is D, 33D. And 34, the growth of the pollen tube towards the ovule is due to the फोटोट्रॉपिज्म. मतलब कि पॉलन ट्यूब जो होती है, मान लीजिए ये स्टिग्मा है एक फ्लावर का, सपोज दिस इज ए स्टिग्मा. ओके, सो दिस पॉलन ट्यूब यू विल ग्रो डाउनवर्ड towards the ovule. So this downward growth, you may say that this is the geotropism, but it is not going towards the earth. It is not going to penetrate the earth. That is why it will not be the geotropism. But it will be the negative phototropism, because the stigma that is exposed to the sun and pollen tube is going towards the ovule. So this will be the negative phototropism. So answer will be the phototropism, that is 35A. That is the 34, that is the D, 34D, this will be the, and 35, the movement of the sunflower in accordance with the path of the sun is due to the, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये फोटोट्रॉपिज्म होना चाहिए, but phototropism is the directional movement, that is the growth movement, but the sun that is fixed and earth is rotating around the sun. That is why the movement of the earth that is shown by the sunflower. So that is why this will be the geotropism, but that will be not the growth movement. So 35B, geotropism. Okay, now 36, the substance that triggers the fall of the mature leaves and fruit from the plants is due to the, answer is C, abscisic acid or ABA. 36, that is C, ABA. And now come to the 37, which of the following statement about transmission of nerve impulse is incorrect? तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो इनकरेक्ट है, दैट इज द केमिकल रिलीज फ्रॉम द एक्सोनल एंड. एक्सोनल एंड मतलब ये एक्सॉन है, ये नर्व एंडिंग है. दिस इज द एक्सोनल एंड, दिस इज द सेल बॉडी, डेंड्राइट. So this is the axonal end, and the question is that which is incorrect. तो इनकरेक्ट यही है कि केमिकल रिलीज फ्रॉम एक्सोनल एंड, मतलब यहां से केमिकल रिलीज हो और दूसरे के डेंड्राइट में अगर ये सिनेप्स है तो, सो दिस विल बी द रॉन्ग, इट विल बी द इनकरेक्ट. सो आंसर इज सी, 37C, this one. Now 38, involuntary actions of the body is controlled by the medulla and midbrain. 38B. Now 39, which of the following is not an involuntary action? Options are vomiting, salivation, heartbeat and chewing. So answer will be the chewing, because chewing is the voluntary action. तो ये involuntary नहीं है. So 39 is the D, this one. And now come to the 40, which statement is not true about the thyroxine? तो सारे स्टेटमेंट इसमें करेक्ट हैं, केवल पहला है जो आयरन इज एसेंशियल फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ थायरॉक्सिन. आयरन इज नॉट एसेंशियल फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ थायरॉक्सिन, दैट इज द आयोडीन. सो आंसर इज ए. 41, dwarfism results due to the, answer is B, less secretion of growth hormone. Less secretion of growth hormone. So answer is B. And now come to the 42. 42. A doctor advised a person to take the injection of insulin because, क्यों इंसुलिन डॉक्टर कहेगा लेने के लिए? क्योंकि उसके ब्लड में शुगर बढ़ा रहेगा. So the answer is his sugar level in blood was high. Answer is D, 42D. And come to the 43, the hormone which increases the fertility in male is called B, testosterone. 43B, that is testosterone. And now 45, the junction between two neurons is called synapse. Answer is D. 44. that is 45. This question is 45D. And now 44. Which of the following endocrine gland is unpaired? Options are adrenal, that is paired, testis paired, ovary paired, and C, pituitary is the unpaired. So 44C. And 46. In human, the life process are controlled and regulated by the, and correct option is nervous and endocrine system. Nervous system and endocrine system. So answer is D. So my dear student, this is the complete question and answer that was remaining in the MCQ. And now let us start about the filling the blanks. So we will start the filling the blanks in this video itself, so that this question and answer as well as this chapter that can be completed within this week. So fast. Students, come to the filling the blanks section. Fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Number 1. A hormone is a chemical secreted by an endocrine dash gland. So number 1, that will be the gland. Number 2, dash promote cell enlargement and cell differentiation in the plant. So auxin promotes cell enlargement and cell differentiation in the plants. Therefore, this is the auxin. And 3, that is the peripheral nervous system has dash pairs of cranial nerves and dash pair of spinal nerves. तो बच्चों, आपको इसमें जानकारी होनी चाहिए. देखिए, अगर ये if this is the brain, so the nerves that is arising from this brain, these are called the cranial nerves. That may be going to the blood heart, that may be going to the eye, ear, tongue, mouth, etc. So these are the cranial nerves. But the nerves arising from the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. तो ह्यूमन बॉडी में 12 पेयर क्रेनियल नर्व्स के होते हैं. These are the 12 and 31 पेयर स्पाइनल नर्व्स के होते हैं, जो कि डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को सप्लाई करते हैं. सो आंसर विल बी 12 and 31. 3, 12 and 31 दोनों फिलिंग में भरा जाएगा. Therefore, the sentence will be the peripheral nervous system has 12 pair of the cranial nerves and 31 pair of the spinal nerves. Mimosa pudica is an example of dash movement, Gnostic movement. Mimosa pudica मतलब touch me not, that is छुई मुई. So question number 4, that is the Gnostic movement. This dash, and this dash. Question number 5. Hormones are carried by dash to target organ where they perform a specific dash. So hormones are carried out by blood. To target organs where they perform a specific functions. अगला डैश होगा functions, right? Come to the next, that is the question number 6. And question number 6 is the dash hormone increases the heartbeat rate when we get a fight. So hormone, that is the adrenaline. Adrenaline gets secreted in the adrenal gland, which is responsible for increasing the heartbeat and decreasing the heartbeat. Question number 7. Motor nerves transmit response from, this is the confusing question. 8. Question number 8. That is the dash control the reflex activities. So spinal cord control the reflex activity. Spinal cord control the reflex activities. 9. That is again confusing question. Come to 10. The response of a plant to a stimulus of water is called hydrotropism. 10. Hydrotropism. Okay. And now 11. Dash perform the control and coordination in plants. So hormones, phytohormones, phytohormones perform the function of control and coordination in plants. Question number 12. The movement of the plant, the movement of a plant in direction of a stimulus is called directional movement और ग्रोथ मूवमेंट. तो आप कह सकते हैं इसको डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट या ग्रोथ मूवमेंट. डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट और ग्रोथ मूवमेंट ऑफ ए प्लांट. Then question number 13. Dash and dash show thermonostic movements. So tilting of leaves and fruits. तो 13 में होगा tilting of leaves. एक डैश में होगा, दूसरे डैश में होगा एंड फ्रूट्स. That is the example of thermonosticity. Thermonosticity means the excess evaporation of water from the plant body due to the high temperature in the external environment, which results the water scarcity in the plant body and which results the tilting of the leaves. पतझड़ होगा और फल भी गिर जाएंगे. Then question number 14. All tropism are growth movements, but all directional movements are not growth movements. All tropism are 14 growth movement, but all डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट्स. एक तो डैश में ये हो गया, दूसरे डैश में होगा ऑल डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट्स आर नॉट ग्रोथ मूवमेंट्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Dash movements are also known as sleep movements. So Gnostic movements are also known as the sleep movement. 15, that is the Gnostic is the. So my dear student, these are the filling the blanks question, and at last you have to exercise this this mapping type question. That is this is the brain given here. brain given here, and that you have to exercise it in your book. So brain के जो function है वो exercise करने हैं. Match the column. Olfactory receptors means nose. Thermoreceptors, temperature receptors means skin. Gustator receptor means tongue, and photoreceptors means eye. So these are the sense organs, and you have to complete this chapter by as you have attended the live classes. Also you have seen the videos, you have taken the notes from us, and you have to prepare this in the form of making notes as well as the doing question and answer in the book. So be careful. Thank you.